Hey, what's going on YouTube? Today I'm going to be showing you how to change the back glass on a Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. The tools that we're going to be needing is I have a flat metal pry tool, a couple of plastic picks, another pry tool, this one's like a dental tool, and a heat gun. So let's get started. As you can see here, it's just the camera lens itself that's broken. I have a complete replacement one. I wasn't able to get the actual Samsung branded one, but this one is just as good. So power down the phone. And we're going to heat the back. And we're going to slowly try to lift the back, sticking one of these pry tools in there, and we're going to work our way around. On the S10 Plus or the S10, it doesn't have the fingerprint scanner on the back anymore, so you don't have to be too concerned with, there used to be a cable that ran around and close to the edge, so now that that's been switched to the front, there's no need for that. So on this back, what we're going to do is we're just going to swap out the entire back, because I wasn't able to get the lens on short notice, so I was able to get the whole back, and it's not, you know, the Samsung branded back, but it's still the same back, do the same job. So in order to get started, we're going to take and heat the back of this. I'm going to try using this thin piece of metal pry. Get it started. And work the guitar pick under there. Once that's in, work one to each side. Trying to work around the curve. If you're trying to salvage the whole back glass, since maybe yours isn't broken, you're going to want to take your time on this. You know, take extra time, make sure it's right. If it's difficult like this, you may need to add a little bit more heat, because as you're doing it, you know, it's definitely going to get cooled off. I like to use the metal one to actually take the strings and things off when it gets hung up. And all I'm doing is just pushing through the adhesive. All right, I'm going to put it on the heat for a little bit and see if this corner will come up. And just like that, the back's off. Adhesive is still really good, so if you wanted to reuse this, you can. You know, we might be able to just pop this piece out, pop the new one in, I might just go that route. I'm going to try to heat this up and remove this section, and then maybe I'll just try to heat it up and swap the sections. Okay. So I'm going to just try applying some heat to it, see if I can get these off. Alright, so we took out the camera lens section. Now, apply some heat to this one. Let's see if we can pop the camera lens out of this one. Much easier. So now what we can do is just transfer this back into our original screen, and we have the original part. Take your cell phone tape and run it along the bottom here. Now if you want to try to keep it waterproof, you're going to have to use something like this, B7000. And then we'll glue the remainder piece on there. I mean, we could go straight glue the whole thing if you really wanted, but it would just take a lot longer to set up. This way is just kind of a faster way and the same thing, because otherwise we'd have to let the piece sit there. We got our new lens back in our old back. So it looks beautiful. I just got to clean up the back after. Okay, again, our back glass came off flawlessly, so I'm gonna put it back on. What I'm going to do is take a little bit of heat. Kind of reactivates that glue and makes it sticky again. I'll just have to come back once this is dry around the edges and clean it up. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. Check out my other videos. I do other things besides repairs. Thanks for watching.